Every successful automation program starts with a clearly defined vision. Strategy and vision isn't just about setting goals. It's about creating a roadmap that aligns your automation program initiatives with your organization's broader business objectives. But why is this dimension so critical? Because without it, even the most sophisticated automation capabilities can end up as scattered, disconnected projects that fail to deliver meaningful business value. Think of strategy and vision as your program's North Star, guiding every decision from which processes to automate to how you'll think about scaling AI capabilities across the enterprise. For new programs, this dimension helps you to establish clear implementation goals and secure those critical early wins that build your credibility. You'll learn how to identify opportunities that balance quick victories with long-term strategic value. As your program matures, it guides you in evolving from isolated automation projects to a comprehensive business-driven program. You'll develop frameworks for measuring success that go beyond just cost savings and considering things like impacts on customer experience, employee satisfaction, and operational excellence. And when you're ready to scale, this dimension shows you how to integrate AI and automation strategy with your organization's broader digital transformation initiatives. You'll learn how to position your automation program not just as a technology solution, but as a key driver of business innovation and competitive advantage for your organization. The result? A clear and compelling automation strategy that evolves with your program's maturity, from your very first automation to sophisticated agentic solutions that transform how your business operates. So, ready to build a strategy that drives real business value? Let's explore how this dimension can help your program succeed at any stage of its journey.